students, I am back with my another video, and in this video we are going to study about sound U. How we going to pronunciate it? Sound U. Sound U's word. D-U-N. Gun. S-U-N. Sun. T-U-N. Done. M-U-N. Man. P-U-G. Pug. T-U-G. Tug. J-U-G. Jug. H-U-G. Hug. Thank you guys. I hope you like my video. Please share and subscribe my video, and whatever doubts you have in my videos, please ask me on comment box. Thank you guys.